Hello scientists, my name is Brad Bishop. I'm the creator of this Facebook page, Because Science.
Hi, my name is Houston Bishop.
So today we're going to do an experiment with water, and we're going to attempt to separate the hydrogen from the oxygen through a process we call electrolysis. And hopefully we'll end up with some hydrogen gas that we can burn in the end. So as you can see here, our materials we're going to use is a little bit of salt to make our water more conductive, a bowl for the water, our test tube, our 12-volt battery, and a couple wires. So we'll fill this bowl with just a little bit of regular old tap water. Get it pretty full. Looks like enough. Alright, we will add some salt, just a little bit, makes the water a little more conductive. Take our little test tube and stir up the salt. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is with this test tube, we're going to use it to capture all the hydrogen. I'm going to submerge it in the water and get all the air out. That way our end product is pure hydrogen. So we've got our red and our black wires. When we stick the red and the black wires on our positive and negative and into the water, the ends of these wires will produce bubbles. On our red wire will be all oxygen bubbles, and on our black wire will be all hydrogen bubbles. Alright, so as you can see, we've got our red wire on the right side, and we've got our black wire on the left side. The end of the black wire is into the test tube. As you can see, those bubbles, that's all hydrogen. So it takes a few minutes for all the hydrogen to fill up the test tube. So you just let it sit there and bubble up, and all the water will go out of the test tube, and then you'll be left with hydrogen gas. Alright, we're getting close. Still got a little ways to go. I just want to take a moment to let everybody know that this could be potentially dangerous. Hydrogen and oxygen mixed together, it can be very combustible. If you remember the Hindenburg, that's the reason it went up in flames, was the hydrogen. Also, anytime you're messing with electricity and water, of course, that's pretty dangerous as well. So if you're going to try this, do a little bit of research, make sure you do it safely. I don't want anybody to get hurt. Alright, so here we go. Hopefully when we try to light this test tube, then we'll get a little bit of ignition and a cool fireball or a flame or something.